So I saw myself gaining a lot of weight and I couldn't help myself. So a friend of mine recommended Easy Slim to me because she had seen a lot of reviews on their Instagram and Facebook pages. And so I decided to try. I got my first pack, and after my first 18-day course, I lost 7 kg. Wow, that was so amazing. So I got so motivated to continue my course. I got additional 3 packs, and after my 3 packs journey, I lost close to 32 kg. So currently I am 65 kg, from 97 kg to 65. And I'm so happy. It's been almost 2 years since I used Easy Slim, and I recommend Easy Slim for you. It's the best and effective supplement drug to lose weight.